Hi, I'm Joe Saunders with Miniature Landscape Hobbies, and in this episode I'm going to teach you how to paint really small 1 to 144th scale aircraft without a brush. We're going to use an industrial broom. Ooh. Hi, Joe Saunders here from Miniature Landscape Hobbies. As you saw from my intro, I'm kind of running out of ideas for videos this week. So I was really excited to be interrupted by getting this cool package in the mail. Now, what is it? I honestly have no idea, but I do see it's got a thank you sticker on it, so that's kind of nice. And it's from our friends at Torchlight Games. So they've sent this over to me as a complete and utter surprise. What could be in it? I have no clue, but let's check it out. This is really kind of fun. I've never had a care package in the mail before. Alright, let's see what's in here. Package up pretty carefully. Oh, there's a note. We'll have to come back to that. Oh, wow. This isn't just a little bit of stuff. This is a ton of stuff. This is going to keep me going for a long time. Camouflage net in 135th from AK. Very cool. That could probably work on almost any type of my builds. And of course, I love AK products. MS-06F7 Zaku 2. So this is Gundam. Wow. Okay. I've never worked with Gundam before, but I've been watching a lot of videos on Gundam recently because, well, as you know, I love every type of model. Holy, all right. Well, Will and guys over at Torchlight, that is awesome. D50C Lotto twin suit. Another Gundam model. There's stuff on the side about him. This box is open. Let's just quickly open it up, see what's inside. So I guess they're like Gundam models are like a scale model kit. That's good because I wanted to add more scale model content to my channel. So this will give me plenty of ammunition to work with. I'm more of a painter than a builder. I'll have to get my skills back. Plus, I don't know anything about any of these models. I'm not a Gundam or anime fan, but I will be now. Now, I don't know much about this product yet, but giant robots are always a win as far as I'm concerned. Alright, then just a couple more things in here. Goes that up later. A Conquest model! I also find myself chanting, I must not start a Conquest army, over and over again. I know this is a struggle I'm sure to lose, but I try. You can read minds. So, I don't know much about Conquest, but I really like the look of the models. They're a larger scale, So I've been thinking for a while it might be fun to try to paint them to bring some fantasy content into the channel that's just a little bit different. I will have a lot of fun painting that, doing a tutorial on that. And then lastly, something that, this is completely out of the blue, but this is pretty exciting to me. I've been looking at the some of MIG's new products, and they've got these shaders that are enamel, I believe, and this appears to be a package of them. If I can get it open. Light olive drab. Of course, my main topic that I build with is World War II armor, so that will be perfect. Dirt, the always important color for model builders. Nobody else probably cares about dirt, but model builders and painters do. And dark green. So that is going to suit my work amazingly well. So it looks like we went from 0 in terms of topics to an absolute ton of stuff. And I didn't realize that they were sending me basically a box full of ideas for the future. So we've now got product reviews, room for fantasy model tutorials, getting into Gundam, which is also more like scale modeling. It's almost like they read my mind. Anyways, I could not be happier with this, and I am very, very thankful to Torchlight and, of course, all my regular viewers. So here's some content that you'll see coming up in the, hopefully, the fairly immediate future, and looks like we're going to have a lot of fun. So, thanks for watching. We'll be back next week with more tutorials on miniature building and terrain, and maybe some Gundam and Conquest. Miniature Landscape Hobbies is your source for miniature, terrain building, and diorama content, and we can't do it without your support. We want to build a community to ensure that the wonderful art of building a miniature is accessible to everybody. To participate, please consider joining on Patreon. For $4 a month, our Patreon members benefit from 10% off at Joe Saunders Terrain in the Etsy store, 5% off paints and hobby supplies at Torchlight Games, free access to STL files, a mention in our credits, and early access to our videos. Please check it out and consider joining. That's it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed making it. Please remember to subscribe, press the bell button so you get immediate notification on our videos, and until next time, remember to keep building life in miniature.